टाइमिंग द मार्केट इन क्रिप्टो ऑनेस्टली बहुत बहुत रेयर लोग हैं जो हु कैन कॉल इट आउट एंड दैट टू कंसिस्टेंटली. सो टाइमिंग द मार्केट इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. बट there is a saying that one of my coaches say that history does not repeat itself but it often rhymes. तो एक बेसिक आइडिया जो पूरे क्रिप्टो स्पेस का है वो ये है दैट क्रिप्टो मूव्स इन साइकिल्स जस्ट लाइक एनीथिंग एल्स इन नेचर. नेचर में भी हर चीज़ का मौसम आता है, एक साइकिल आती है, पहले पतझड़ आता है, फिर आगे के मौसम आते हैं, फिर नए पत्ते लगते हैं. सेम इज विद क्रिप्टो, दैट देयर इज अ टाइम व्हेन मार्केट गोज लाइक दिस, देन इट क्रैशेस, देन इट गोज साइडवेज फॉर अ व्हाइल. एंड हम ये बिलीव करते हैं कि 4 साल की एक साइकिल होती है जिसमें करीब 1 से 1.25 साल 1.5 साल बुल मार्केट का होता है, बाकी 2.5 से 3 साल बेयर मार्केट एंड साइडवेज कंसोलिडेशन के होते हैं. नाउ दिस इज लाइक एक ब्रॉडर लेवल पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइमिंग द मार्केट. जैसे भी मार्केट कितना डाउन जाएगा, वापस से कब अप जाएगा, दिस इज समथिंग दैट नो वन कैन आंसर until and unless they're extremely good in technical analysis. And technical analysis is nothing but understanding the whole market sentiment and market psychology. So for example, अभी बहुत सारे लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग होप कर रहे हैं कि बिटकॉइन विल गो एज हाई एज लाइक $100,000 बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर. एट द सेम टाइम बहुत सारे लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि इट विल कम डाउन टू $12,000, $13,000 एज वेल. एंड नो वन नोस कि क्या इन दोनों में से कोई चीज होगी या नहीं होगी. एंड वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर दैट यू डोंट नो फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, बट you have to be prepared for both. You have to protect your capital and you have to be also prepared to take profits. So what I do and what I have learned in this case is it's better to have a plan. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अमन, इन योर केस जैसे लैम्बो में तूने बहुत सही सही टाइम पे प्रॉफिट्स निकाले, दैट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग. लाइक आई रिमेंबर वो बीच में 3 दिन बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट अप गया था. एंड राइट नाउ इफ एनीवन सीज द चार्ट, then it's a pretty bad chart. Like the coin has fallen, and in fact, let me share my screen, let me show everyone taki they also get an idea about how it worked. So let's see if it loads. Let me know if you guys are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay,
Yes, sir, we can see your screen.
awesome. So ये कुछ कुछ लगा रखा है. Let's zoom this up for a while and make basic idea देता हूँ इसका. So this was a Lambo coin which a lot of people in Discord as well played. So this was the time where I had like somewhere around here I had entered this point like 13th or 14th के around. ठीक है. And I did not know, I had no idea कि ये कब ऊपर जाएगा. So let's say I had entered somewhere around here. Actually somewhere around here. So when I took an entry, मेरा एक बेसिक आइडिया था कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सेल एनीथिंग अंटिल इट गोज 100x. एंड लेट्स सी in just, if you can see, in just like 3 days it went 60x, which was totally unexpected. Like 60x tak, if I had known beforehand, I would have taken a lot of profits. But at the same time, if we pull this chart here and if you see this, यहाँ से it had also gone from here to here, which is 75% drop in the next 4 hours, in the next 8 hours actually. So from 60x I was left till here, like 75% loss, like on unrealized gains. I had zero idea ये कब होगा. And if you can see, it started bottoming out here, so almost 80% down. Now if I had not taken any profits, it's my loss, right? अगर मैं यहाँ पे भी कहीं profit ले लेता and I would have entered this again, it would have been a lot better because I could not time the market. And let me show you this. So from here, somewhere until here, what happened was it went again 4x, okay, 4.5x again. If anyone would have taken profits here, they would have been good. No one could have said कि यहाँ तक आने के बाद in the next one day it would go down again by 60%. like extremely volatile. And uske baad, if it would have gone down by 60%, if we say here in the next one day, it went again up by like 2.2x. And if you zoom in a little here, so यहाँ से यहाँ अगर हम देखें, so it went up by 6.7x. And then if you see, like, let's come back on the daily, it went down again 82%. So in crypto, this kind of behavior is very common. It's extremely common that a coin will go up 5x, 6x, 7x, and it will drop by 80, 90, 99% as well. Like, it's completely possible. I give an example of OMG, which was a coin that was around 15, 20, $30 in the peak of 2017. And in the bear market of last year, it was at 34 cents. एक कॉइन जो $30 पे था एक टाइम पे, it was at 34 cents. Can you even imagine like कितना प्राइस गिरा है? I think 99.99%.
100%.
Yeah. So that's like, Aman, to answer your question, no one knows how high the market will go. But that's the whole idea, that whenever people are becoming, Warren Buffett said, whenever people are becoming extremely greedy, you should be extremely fearful and you should take out your money. And whenever people are becoming extremely fearful, you should be extremely greedy. So if you remember, in April, everyone was going crazy about crypto. People were coming, people were creating a lot of content. जो लोगों का niche भी नहीं था वो इसमें आ चुके थे. People were making money left, right and center. Dogecoin का हमने इतना सुना था. I personally was expecting a crash, and a lot of a lot of paid communities, उन communities में भी जो veterans थे, जो 2017 का पूरा cycle देख चुके थे, they were also expecting a crash would come, and it did. And somewhere, because मैं इतनी सारी cycles देख चुका crypto में, I knew कि there is a possibility that Bitcoin can go down by even 90%. तो मैंने तभी से खुद को mentally prepare करना start कर दिया था कि possibility है 90% भी जा सकता है. So if it goes 90%, I should be able to have a plan to handle my losses and to manage my risk. And again, right, I personally believe in the next few months, the market will most likely go up. हो सकता है ना भी जाए. But if it goes up, I have a plan. If it goes down, I still have a plan. So I can't time the market, but I can play the market according to whether it's going up or whether it's going down.